Hello, and thank you for joining me on another one of my lifestyle series videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dimitri, and I'm an American expat living in the Philippines. Here, I'm going to share with you how my life is going living in Metro Manila. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you on a journey of my daily life as a time-lapse traveler.
That's one of the things that you will only find in the Philippines.
Hello, and welcome to another video from the Time-Lapse Traveler. Here, I want to take you on a ride along with Jürgen, a retired expat from Germany, who is my friend and neighbor. For this ride, we went from our neighborhood in Bonifacio Global City to visit the appropriately named Mega Mall located in Ortigas Center. Like me, Jürgen is a big fan of avoiding traffic by riding a scooter. He let me borrow his California EcoBike electric scooter, which is way more bulky and powerful than my original model Xiaomi M365 electric scooter, while he was riding his Yamaha gas-powered scooter. Of course, in this way, we were not able to avoid nearly all the traffic the way that I do when I ride my nimble and ultra-portable Xiaomi, but still way better than getting around in a car. I've made plenty of videos in the past talking about the values of using an electric scooter to get around, so it's no secret that I consider this to be the absolute best way to commute through the city streets. Even though riding an electric scooter, I am not at all obligated to follow any of the regulations that are required for gas-powered licensed vehicles. At the same time, however, I can't exactly pretend that I'm a pedestrian or a bicycle, to whom the standard rules of the road simply do not apply. However, this is my first time riding on a sit-down style electric scooter such as this, which mimics the style of a more traditional motorbike, just without the rumble of an internal combustion engine or the burning and exhaust of fossil fuels that requires. This one though can go at a steady 45 km per hour and has enough power to keep me confident on an overpass such as this one, as well as other minor highways. Since I already made a lot of videos about electric scooters and electric scooter reviews and e-bike reviews in particular, I invite you to take a look at the link that's in the top right hand corner or the link that's in the description if you want to see and hear more about this topic. For now though, I'm going to shut up for just a little while so that you can enjoy the view of the road without further interruptions, at least for some time. After about 20 or so minutes on the road, we reached the mall, and after a bit of circling around, we found a parking area that still had empty spots left for our bikes before going inside Mega Mall. This video though is just about the round trip, and so we're back on our bikes for the ride back home. The weather was sunny but not too hot, the roads were mostly fine and pretty smooth in most areas, which led to a very pleasant ride in both directions. Please let me know in the comments section if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll be happy to strap my 360 camera on a new helmet mount for an even better view of the surroundings. As of now, you can sit back and enjoy the rest of this ride back home without any more of my interruptions. And so as we approach Jürgen's home, I'm going to close out this video right here. If you enjoyed this relaxed ride from BGC to Mega Mall and back again, then I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check the bell icon to receive notifications of when I post a new video. Always take care of yourselves and each other, and of course, keep looking out for more fun and exciting videos coming at you from the Time-Lapse Traveler.